Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool Amazon products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to do a review on my new walking pad. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, as we're unboxing the walking pad now, first thing to know before you buy one of these, the style is made for small spaces. When you're not using it, it's built to slide under a couch, bed, or desk, and it has wheels so you can roll it instead of just carrying it around. The model also has a remote and there's a mute option, which is nice because some treadmills beep like a microwave every time you touch the button. This one is rated for up to 350 pounds and the motor is rated for a 3.5 horsepower. So it's built to handle walking workouts and heavy users without feeling like a flimsy toy. And now that it's set up, here's what it looks like. This has an adjustable handlebar height with 6 levels and the range is 35 inches to 47 inches, so different people in the house can actually use it without the handle feeling way too low. It also has 3 manual incline settings up to 12%. It's not a fancy button incline. This is the type that you manually set up, which I showed earlier, but incline is the whole point if you're trying to make walking actually challenging without having to go for a run. Speed-wise, it works 2 ways. With the handlebar folded down, it's meant for under-desk walking and goes up to 4 miles per hour. With the handlebar up, it can go all the way up to 6 miles per hour. Up front, there's that LED display and it tracks the basics people care about, such as time, speed, distance, and calories. Nothing complicated, just the stuff you want to glance at mid-workout. The belt itself is described as a 7-layer anti-slip belt with shock absorption to reduce joint impact. While I'm walking, the display makes it easy to track pace, especially if you're the type that wants just a simple goal, like I'm just going to do 20 minutes, I'm hitting a certain distance, or I'm keeping a steady speed. And if you're using it under the desk, that lower speed range is what you want anyway. Slow enough to work, but still moving. Last thing, if you're using this in an apartment or around other people, the remote mute option is a small detail, but it matters. Nobody wants loud beeps every time you change the speed. And for storage, this is why people buy it. It's meant to roll away and not live in the middle of your room. The biggest difference between a walking pad and a full treadmill is how you actually use it day to day. This one is designed for steady walking while you're working or watching something, or handlebar session when you want to push a little harder. As soon as you add the incline, it challenges the whole workout. Flat walking is fine, but incline is what turns it into a real calorie burner and makes your legs work without needing to sprint. I also like that the handlebar height adjusts because if the bar is too low, it can mess with your posture. With this, you can also raise it to where it feels natural instead of hunching. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new walking pad, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours.